just a good old boy.
Alright, we're planting today. I'm planting wheat today here in the pasture we've got. We're over seeding for grazing for this winter, so that way we ain't out so much seed. I don't even know what day this is on the planting. Dad's been planting since we were gone. And I planted some that I didn't record. I've planted up here since I got back one day. We've got about 30 acres to do today of planting. Probably gonna take me most of the day to get it done. It is windy today. Woo! Cold air is bad. Yesterday it was warm and sunny. It's been cold and windy. Then it went warm and sunny. Now it's back to cold and windy. I got me a deer over the weekend. I tried to get one on camera last night when I went, and man, I don't know what it is. I can take a camera deer hunt with me. I can't never get nothing on camera when I go deer hunt. Bunch of crap. So I'm gonna start cutting. See if we can't dump some of this seed out. Fill this thing up. Alright, let's check see how this thing's planting. Make sure all the seed cups are flowing good. See any blockages or anything. One piece of grass or something. Got in there. Oh, that got in there. I'll run it a little bit. Yep. Pretty even. Looks like everything's flowing good. It's taking going in the ground pretty good. Stick my darn hand. Well, I've had bad luck. One of my closing wheels is missing. I have literally ridden around this entire field looking for this closing wheel. Everywhere I've planted today, can't find it. The only thing I can figure out is earlier when I got out to look at the planter, I did not notice that one of the wheels was missing, and it had done come off before, or on the first round, or it may be even up there laying in the pasture. I don't know, and I reckon I've done checked all up through the pasture looking to see if it fell off while I was coming around that way. Now I'm going around the first round of the field that I made just to see if it's here. And I cannot find this dang closing wheel. And it's tough because everywhere you go, there's cow pies, black. And this wheel is black. So it blends in really good and you can't see it. So I'm trying to find this dang wheel. And I'll show y'all, it's one thing I do not like about this Marley's planter is the closing wheels are pop in. And if you hit something like a rock or something like that, they can pop out. And evidently it come out. I don't know where this dang thing's at, but I've got to try to find it. So let me see if I can't find it. Found it. Fill her up again. Hopefully we're gonna have some left. I got some more to plant at home. But I really don't need this any more wheat. I ain't got just a little bit of cow pasture. Hopefully I'll have a little bit left. I got a little bit of cow pasture left at home I can sow with it. That's it for pasture land, I think, for this year. I don't know if we're going to do any more hay ground or not. Maybe we will. We'll just have to wait and see. This might be the last bag for 2019 plant. I don't know yet. That we put in here. I think I'm gonna have some seed left. I got a little bit more that I can put this in the pasture at home. We didn't finish. But It's amazing how much light that those two little aux beam LED lights put off on this truck. I mean, it's lighting up the bushes and everything off that tractor. And there's the headlights, the brand new headlights that go on this International. That's all they light up, this big truck. And then look at them two little aux beam lights. If you ain't got LED lights, they're worth every cent when you put them on. I mean, the whole bed's lit up, the back of the tractor's lit up. One of them needs adjusting down, it's got knocked up. And it's shining up the trees, it's got the whole tree lit up. Really, that's only one light putting out all that. Let's head home. I just got home finally. Oh, it's a ride all the way up there to that farm. I got something to show you guys, speaking of LED lights. Look at this thing. We went and got this thing at Tractor Supply the other day, and man, it will blind you. It's got LEDs all the way around, and it has them on the bottom too. And it burns, I forget how many looms that thing put off, but it burns less than what a 200 watt bulb would. I think it was equal to a 150 watt bulb. And as far as what it burned, and then or something like that. Let's see if that box is still in here. I mean, that thing is crazy. It was pricey, I ain't gonna lie. It was about $30 something, but I mean, my God, it puts off a lot. I think that we already threw the box out. I ain't sure. I don't think Dad saved it. No, I don't see it. So now we got rid of it already. It was crazy what that thing did, and it don't use hardly any energy. Let's go get the eggs. I ain't got my chicken's eggs yet this morning while that truck cools off. I like to turn them off, them big diesels like that, off right away as soon as you get home. Or you need to let them idle, kind of cool back down, especially after you've been hauling a load. Get out of the way, chickies. Chickies. Y'all probably need water. Yeah, I'm gonna have to water and feed them. They're hungry. Let's see here. How many eggs we got? We got one. We got 2, 3, 4, 5. Jay was too short yesterday. Had one. Well, y'all not late today? All right, now y'all in trouble. This slacking off's getting old now. One of y'all keeps not wanting to lay every so often. Nah, I'm getting tired of it. They got chickens took care of. We'll turn this thing off. There's a cat somewhere. He's fed in. I tell you what, I keep the roads hot with this truck. Get my stuff out of this. Oh crap, I forgot to roll my window up. I keep this dang thing on the road all the time. I'm gonna wind up and wear it out quicker than I wanted to. Looks at things. I use it to pull the goosenecks with everywhere we go with the big loads. Deliver hay on it. I mean, it's constantly using it. We keep that thing there pretty busy at C70 over there too. I'll get that in a minute. But anyway, I'm gonna go grab something to eat finally. I don't even know what time it is. It's late. And get me something to eat, and then I gotta go sit down and edit the part 2 the expo video. So that's coming up. And then tomorrow morning I gotta get up early and I gotta go cut hay. I'm gonna put as much hay as I can get on the ground tomorrow on the ground. And hopefully we'll get half of what we gotta do done anyway. And soon we'll be done with hay. So, oh, my little buddy's here. What are you doing, little bitty? You come to see me? Come here. Where are you running off to? Come here. You wanting to run from me? You want to play, ain't you? That's my little pet. Got some new kitten. She's the sweetest little thing, ain't you? Yep, I'm sweet. Yeah, you don't want me to get you, do you? Alright, thank y'all for watching. See y'all next time. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.